Hey, Eco Clean Queen here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how I prepare my own cleaning kit. I own a cleaning business and I found this way to be the most efficient for me. So stay tuned after the intro and I'll show you what I've got. All right, so this is my cleaning kit and it's basically a cooler, but it has wheels on it. So it's super easy to carry around the house. It's easy to go upstairs, and so it's not as hard on my back. And it's also not as big and clunky as you would see a caddy at a hotel. This works for me and I would recommend it for a few reasons. It has pockets on all sides, so I can put the feather dusters right here. Yes, I'm old school and I use feather dusters and I love them. And then I have all of my rubber gloves here. They're not latex, I use the vinyl ones, the surgical grade. So I put those in there. And then on the side here, I just keep anything that maybe I'm using a rag and I could still use it. I could put it in here. And then I put all of my keys or cell phone in here. And then I also have an upper pocket here. I have my vacuum bags. And I use tape to label my products. I have the Quad Zero steel wool pad in here.
A razor blade is also a great cleaning tool.
I have a Sharpie to label my products. I have a pipe cleaner in here. It's an extra bamboo toothbrush. And I also have a reusable mask. Let's go into what's inside. Okay, so I use an all-purpose cleaner. It's basically Dr. Bronner's and water. And I have 2 bottles because if I'm cleaning with someone, they can have their own bottle, and then I keep the concentrate in this bottle. I have this, it's lemon oil mixed with olive oil and clove oil. I love the scent of this, and I also have orange oil in here. So you can basically make your own furniture polish the way you want. I just love this scent. The clove really makes a difference. So I would recommend it. And I also put a yellow tag on the top here. My acidic cleaners have the green tag on it. This one is white distilled vinegar. This is my hydrogen peroxide. I use 3%, and this is apple cider vinegar, and I have a red tab on here. I need to get some more. I'm reusing this container to keep the toilet bowl brush and the toothbrushes that I use on the toilet, and also the grout brush, the drywall screen, and the pipe cleaner. This keeps my caddy dry. So I put all of my wet products in here so it doesn't go all over my caddy. And this is baking soda. So I just basically fill it up. I buy baking soda in a large bag, and then I just fill up this container over and over again. And so this has multiple uses, but it's super handy to have in your cleaning kit. And this is my duster. It's a feather duster and it has a wooden handle. I can actually compost the handle and the feathers. This part right here is plastic, so I have to throw that away. But I love it because it removes all of the particles from the surfaces and it goes directly to the ground. This comes in handy when I'm trying to go quickly. So my friend gave this to me. She's a real estate agent, and this is made out of cloth. So basically when I have dirty rags, I'll put them in here, and then when I get home, I'll throw all the rags in the washer and then also wash this. This prevents me from using plastic bags and having to throw them away. It keeps everything much cleaner and sanitary. I also have this bag for my clean rags, and it goes around my shoulder so I can carry multiple things at once. And I use a bucket. It's super handy when I'm mopping the floors.
I use the bucket by filling it with water, adding a little bit of Castile soap, and mixing it with some rags, and then I wring out the rags and I'm ready to mop the floor.
My other tool is my mop, and this is a rubber mop. It extends. I can get it all types of corners. It doesn't scratch the floors.
I'll put the lightly damp rag on the rubber mop and then just start mopping the floor. Once in a while, I'll need to clean my cleaning kit, so I'll just take everything out, wipe it, and then put everything back. Now there's some extra products in my kit that I'm trying to use up. The Murphy oil soap, the stovetop cleaner, and then I use LOC organic cleaner, which is from Amway. My loofah sponge I want to mention because it's compostable. I usually pack up and I'm able to carry everything at once. It's sort of tricky to put my vacuum on my kit and carry it all at once, but I've done that several times too.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the Eco Clean Queen channel, and you can tap the notification bell to be notified of the very next video. Thanks again and happy cleaning!